Hi guys, this is P. Bhaskar Praveen. I am currently studying at Bennett University, pursuing BTech fourth year. I have done my summer internship at UST India Software Private Limited. I would like to thank Bennett University for providing me with this opportunity and Dr. A.K. Sinha for mentoring me throughout this intern. The project I have done in this intern is about GDP growth rate prediction in India after COVID pandemic. The main goal of this project is to know the GDP growth or loss due to this current pandemic crisis, so that the government could invest in better sectors and make good decisions. I have used many models. I have tried to use many models like LSTM, GRU, random forest, etc. etc. for predicting the GDP growth, in which I have found out that multilinear perceptron regression and linear regression are the better models for getting accurate predictions. So I have used MLP regressor and a linear regression for predicting the GDP growth, in which I have found out that linear regression is getting the better output of those both. So let's go into it in detail.
This is our project, Prediction of GDP Growth in India after COVID. This is my profile. About UST Software. UST India is a highly regarded information technology organization which is founded in Delhi. It has been providing a full range of innovative and cost-effective IT services. The company's goal is to be a world-class global provider of information technology. Abstract. From March of 2020, India has started facing new positive cases of COVID-19 and has been declared as a pandemic. Because due to this pandemic, global economic crisis started to rise. So it has a drastic effect on every country's economy in many sectors like industries, manufacturing, exports and imports, and might end up with a negligible value when the pandemic ends. So we focused on the sectors and built a robust machine learning model that could predict the GDP growth of India. As the COVID-19 declared as pandemic by WHO, many countries implemented lockdown and the economy has fallen. So we trained a machine learning model that could predict the GDP growth of India. Our problem statement is to predict a model of GDP growth rate of India after this pandemic COVID-19 using machine learning algorithms and suggest the optimal scenario for stimulating the growth rate. Analysis. We implemented regression on neural networks, which is different on the output layer compared to normal multilinear perceptrons because the output is not limited to 1 or 7 integers. We need a series of outputs. So to solve this issue, we must remove the activation function of last layer and set it to linear. We tried with different loss functions out measures for best results. Then the loss is measured with the mean squared logarithmic error and optimizer is set to Adam and metrics as mean absolute percentage error for the best outcomes. This is the graph in which the black dots are the actual and the blue dots are the predicted values of GDP. Regression on neural network using inbuilt function called MLP regressor, which is a multilinear perceptron regressor. We implemented the MLP regression using the predefined function of sklearn with solver set to LBFGS, alpha set to 0.001 and epochs to 1000. This is the graph which we have got on using inbuilt MLP regressor, where the blue dots are the actual predicted and the black dots are the actual. Linear regression. We have used linear regression for predicting the GDP growth. And on comparing the results from these three methods, we decided to implement linear regression as it is giving the best results in predicting the GDP from these big features. As you can see the graph plotted, the blue dots and black dots are more accurate on using linear regression. So we have picked linear regression for predicting the growth rate. These are the outcomes. The results of manually configured multi-layer perceptron regression having mean layer error as mean absolute percentage error 20%. And on using MLP regressor, we have got an output of accuracy of 85%. On using linear regression, we have got an output of accuracy as 89.67%, which is the highest amongst the three. So we have decided to use the linear regression. The challenges we have faced: there are many different features for predicting the GDP growth rate of India. So we have to find the best dataset which contains maximum features so that it helps in predicting GDP growth accurately. There are also so many models for predicting GDP growth like LSTM and GRS. So we have to select the model which gives the better prediction amongst these models. And we have also learned the RMA time series model as it helps in better future prediction of GDP. We also use multilinear perceptron regression so that we can calculate GDP using the values of agriculture, manufacture, exports, imports, etc. with respect to the year after the pandemic. Conclusion: we have finally trained a machine learning model that could predict the GDP growth of India so that the government could invest in right sectors. We have found out that linear regression is giving the better accuracy, which is nearly 90%. So we have completed a model for prediction of GDP growth rate of India after this pandemic COVID-19. Thank you.